In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Bourse Panel's Review Portfolio feature. Once you log into the platform, you can access this feature from the left toolbar. The Review Portfolio feature is extremely handy and has never been introduced before. Using this feature, you can review an existing stock market portfolio within just a few clicks, which is otherwise a very complex task. The idea is to make timely decisions on holding a particular stock or liquidating it from the portfolio. The Bourse Panel platform does this by giving you a complete outlook of the portfolio at any given time. The platform performs all the risk management tasks and uses proven trading strategies. It examines each sector in your portfolio and then analyzes all individual stocks from every perspective, including technical, fundamental, and sentiments. To review your existing stock market portfolio, you can select the stock you are holding from this drop-down menu. Next, you will enter the number of shares, the entry price, and the date of purchase and click on Add Stock Now. You can repeat this process for all the stocks in your existing portfolio. Remember, you may also have only one or any number of stocks in your portfolio, and once all the stocks in your portfolio are added, you can start reviewing your portfolio. It will give you the weight of every sector in your portfolio, the weight of an individual stock, as well as the market cap diversification, which is based on mega, large, mid, and micro cap sectors. Using the table below, you can see the performance of the individual stocks from the date of your entry. It also includes the profit and loss to till date. You can also see the health and score of each stock in your portfolio, its performance over up to 1 year, key ratios, company financial information, and technicals with support and resistance levels. Using all this information, you can review your existing stock market portfolio. You can decide on holding a particular stock or liquidating it. Based on the information, you may also decide to add further stocks to your portfolio, and for this, you may also use the Design Portfolio feature. Let's now take an example by reviewing a sample stock market portfolio and see how it works. I will also talk about all the information the platform provides and explain how it can be used for improving the performance of an existing stock market portfolio. In this example, we will use a sample portfolio with 5 stocks. The first stock in the portfolio is Alcoa Corporation, and it belongs to the basic material sector. The total number of shares is 100 and the entry price is $61. The second stock in the portfolio is Ariel Bank AG, and it belongs to the financial sector. The total number of shares is 190 and the entry price is $30.10. The third stock is AAC Technologies Holdings, and it belongs to the technology sector. The total number of shares is 500 and the entry price is $2. The fourth stock is AD Bioscience, and it belongs to the healthcare sector. The total number of shares is 250 and the entry price is $21.50. The fifth and the final stock in the portfolio is Microsoft Corporation, and it falls in the technology sector. The total number of shares is 150 and the entry price is $282. Now we have our sample stock market portfolio ready. Let's add the stocks and review this portfolio. You may also download your portfolio review in PDF format from this link. Remember, the portfolio is now also added to My Portfolio section, and you can always access it to review its current performance. You can modify the number of stocks, add further stocks, or remove the existing ones. So all the stocks are now added, and the portfolio is ready for review. Remember, if any of your stock in the portfolio is purchased at different levels, you can add multiple entries for the same stock. In our example, from this chart, you can review the weight of each sector in your portfolio. The next chart shows the weight of individual stocks in your portfolio. While from the last chart, you can review the market cap diversification of your portfolio. From the Overview tab, you can see all 5 stocks in the portfolio. The tab shows the general information of the stocks, including the purchase of date of each share, the number of each stock you are holding, their entry price, their investment amount, their portfolio weight in percentage, price change, and recommended levels to exit. These exit levels are given by performing all the risk management tasks and using proven trading strategies. However, the platform gives you ample information on your entire stock market portfolio, and you can also review that information to readjust your portfolio. Finally, from these two icons, you can add it or remove any stock from the review. From the Health and Score tab, you can review various scores of each stock in your portfolio. These scores are calculated using our high-end scoring method, and they will assist you in evaluating the performance of your existing portfolio. The gray color indicates the stock health is below average. The light green color indicates the stock health is above average, while the dark green color indicates the stock health is strong. Let me explain the scoring levels in a bit more detail. Each scoring level on the Bourse Panel platform is calculated based on multiple factors, and each of these factors has its weight that is used while calculating the final score. For example, the value score is calculated using different company financials such as margin of safety, forward earnings per share, return on equity, return on assets, and profit margins. Again, each financial number has its weight in the final score calculation. Similarly, the technical score includes several technical indicators such as following the bands, moving averages, relative strength index, and so on. In the technical score, each technical indicator has its weight that is taken to calculate the final technical score. Likewise, the total score is calculated using all individually calculated scores, and each score has its weight in the total score. Let's now move on to the Performance tab. Using the Performance tab, you can review how all the stocks in your portfolio have performed over the last 1 year. For example, the Alco Corporation has gained 12.9% year to date, while all other stocks have lost in value during this period. This is vital information. You can gradually check quarterly, monthly, and weekly performances and get a general idea of where the stock prices are headed and decide whether to hold stock or liquidate it. Once again, these decisions are not made in isolation, and we recommend going through all the information platform provides before making a decision. Next, from the Key Ratio tab, you can review all the key ratios of the stocks in your portfolio. From the Financial tab, you can review all the financial information of the stocks. From the Technical tab, you can see what all the technical indicators are telling about the given stocks in your portfolio. Finally, from the last tab, you can see the support and resistance levels of the stocks in your portfolio. Reviewing your stock market portfolio is an integral part of your investment, but as a matter of fact, you need time and experience to scan every individual stock in your portfolio, evaluate the financial information, and perform the technical and fundamental analysis. The Bourse Panel platform makes it extremely easy for you to perform this important task. You don't need an endless amount of time or even experience to review your portfolio. The platform does it for you. It reviews your portfolio from all aspects. It helps you multiply the returns and your dependency on financial advisors and keep your portfolio always on the right side of the market.